my gosh, something in my eye, you guys. Anyways, hey, what's up? I'm Marissa. Tanner's at work and Will is taking a nap, so I thought I would hurry and record this short video explaining to you guys how I made Willa's costume. It's a really quick do-it-yourself project. I actually wasn't even planning on recording this video because I'd shot a lot of footage about the whole process. My sister was here, she helped, we together purchased everything for Willa's costume, which wasn't a lot, let me add, but for some reason the format is not working. So I don't know, rookie mistake. But first thing in the costume, you need to grab a beanie for the hair. I ended up getting some white pom-poms from Hobby Lobby. They were like $1.99 a bag. If I redid it, I would just use cotton balls, super quick, even more affordable. It's like $1 a bag. I would get multiple. Even to do this, you'd probably have to get like 2, maybe 3 bags for this. If you're gonna do the full beanie, the full head of hair, then triple or quadruple it, who knows. So yeah, I did this. I just hot glued them on, and then I wrapped a scarf around them, clipped it with this little barrette that I'm pretty sure I got at my grandma's. So we already had it, just a furry little grandma item there. And then other than that, you could find all of your items at the dollar store. I know that they carry cotton balls there. We ended up getting these sunglasses at the dollar store as well. Make sure they're kids ones, not adults, because they have both. We just popped out the lens and it works super well. And then the other item that we need to buy, and the last one, is these beaded necklaces. They come with like 5 or 6 in a package. We actually only used one, but we spray painted it white. I spray painted 2 just in case, if we wanted to use them. And we used that as a little pearl, and she put it around her neck. You could even like attach it to the necklace if you wanted, for that kind of a fun look. And then other than that, you guys, we had all of Willa's clothes, so it was super quick, super easy. It was like a no stress Halloween costume, which was perfect for me because I'm not a huge do-it-yourself kind of gal. Plus, Tanner and I are trying to be pretty minimalistic, so we just didn't want a lot of themes around here. So it was kind of a win-win to be able to use her own clothes. And we don't really feel bad if we, donate these to the thrift store or whatnot. Biggest bummer, she's not going to be able to use the beanie anymore. Clearly rip the beanie, but maybe we'll keep this for future kids. Who knows? That's it. Super quick, super cheap, super easy. We enjoyed it, and we had a lot of laughs about her costume. So anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want, and we'll see you next time.